Hey guys, Happy New Year to everyone. I just wanted to upload a quick video and give you a little clue into 2018 onto some of the projects I'm going to be doing. First off, I do really want to say thank you though to all my subscribers. We passed the 800 subscriber mark last night just before midnight. It was really exciting. Almost more exciting, well, actually really more exciting than the countdown was for me. So some friends pitched in and it happened. I was kind of blown away because I started this year with just around 100 subscribers. So to gain 700 subscribers, with a little bit of stuff that I've done is just very encouraging. And thank you so much for all of your support. So as a little New Year treat, here is the project I'm currently working on. My brother and his wife and I and my wife and my two girls, we are going on a ski trip. And I've been snowboarding and skiing before. And my brother is a woodworker as well, and he's a great carpenter. And he was like, Conrad, we need to build snowboards. And so we are in the process. We're leaving in just a few days, so this is going to be kind of crazy getting it done. But hopefully I'll be able to finish it all up, get these boards up there on the slopes in the Keystone, Colorado area. And you'll be able to see how horrible of a snowboarder I am. And how well this snowboard works, if it works at all. So right now I've got the metal that I've been bending. My brother was over last night bending this metal. I've been putting together the press for bending the cores and gluing up the snowboard in the proper shape. Got all my extra staves over there for the top. So anyway, I'm looking forward to it. I'll upload some videos as soon as I can, but just a little sneak peek into 2018. Thank you guys so much and Happy New Year.